Hello boys and girls, welcome back. My name is Mega Manoa and thank you so much for joining us today. And today we're going to be doing a very simple experiment that you could actually do at home. It involves water. Very, very simple. Now, before we start this experiment, I just want to tell you just 3 properties of water that we're going to be learning today. One of them is adhesion, the next is cohesion, and lastly, we're also going to be learning about something called surface tension. So, adhesion is basically when the water is sticking to other things, like as you can see, it's sticking right onto my thumb, right? So the reason why is because of adhesion, where it's sticking to something else. Can you guys say adhesion? Yeah, now the next thing again is called cohesion, where it's sticking to itself. Now also, again, back to this water drop. If you take a look at it, are there 2 water drops there? No, there's only 1. And the reason why is because it's sticking to itself, which is what we call cohesion. Can you guys say cohesion?
Cohesion!
Yeah, now the interesting part about cohesion is that's happening all throughout this cup, where it's sticking to itself all over. But one thing that's very interesting is, especially on the top, the surface, the water molecules on the very top, they're sticking to each other a lot stronger, which makes surface tension. Can you guys say surface tension?
Surface tension!
Now, if you look closely, take a close look. Do you see it? Look even closer. Do you see the surface tension? Ah, just kidding. You can't see it. It's too small. You can't see that. So in any case, now let's see how we're able to do this experiment at home. So all you need is, as I have here, a cup, and put a little bit of water inside of there. And then all we need to do is just put a few buttons inside of there, and let's see how this works. Now, first, let me show you how not to do it. Well, if you just take the button and you just drop it, did it work? No. So instead, what we want to do is you want to just take that button, hold it with about 2 fingers, 1 thumb, 1 index finger, and then just drop it in nice and slowly. And if you just drop it there, then, do you see? Ta-da! It floats nice and easily. Just dry your fingers afterwards, and let's do that again. Hold it with your 2 fingers and then drop it in as slowly as possible. And again, as you can see, it's floating. And the reason why is because, remember, the top, the cohesion of the water is a little bit stronger, causing it to have that property that we're talking about called surface tension. So let's just try one more here. And remember, nice and slow, drop it nice and in there, and there you go. So again, boys and girls, this is a button float experiment that you could do at home. All you need are, again, just a cup, put a little bit of water in it, get some buttons, start at it, and there you go. Thank you so much for joining us. This is Mega Manoa, and I'll see you at home.